Good morning, everyone. Miss Angela's here to wish you a happy Friday, and we are going to start our calendar. Right, we are in the month of April still, and it's the year 2020. We're going to do our days of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And today's Friday, which means tomorrow starts the weekend. What 2 days are our weekend days? Yes, they are Saturday and Sunday. All right, so it is Friday today. It's Friday, April 10th, 2020. Hope everybody is having a wonderful morning so far on this Friday. Oh, of course, it's time to fill in the dates and the day of the week. That is correct. We said happy Friday. Let's fill in Friday, and it is the 10th. And as we know, we have only 2 days, Saturday, and then it's Easter. All right. We do have just several fun days already in April. If there's any special days to mark, please let me know. Till then, let's just put a cute little happy smiley face on today because it's Friday, everybody. All right, now we get to decorate the calendar. All right, well, it's time to decorate our calendar again today. And we'll just put this one up again because it's so nice outside. All right, friends, we are going to take a moment and we are going to go over some of the things that remind us of spring and this beautiful season that we are in right now. We were in winter, remember, and we had a lot of snow and it was cold and we bundled up when we went outside. And now the sun's returning, and with this sun returning, and when we do, we're going to get a lot of rain in spring, or some rain in spring. You don't get tons of rain in Colorado, but we definitely do get some rain. And when it rains and then that beautiful sun comes back out again, we get to see beautiful rainbows in the sky. Miss Angela is definitely going to keep an eye out for those. Another really fun activity in the spring is to fly a kite. As I said, when my kids and I take walks, we see a lot of people flying a kite. I might just have to pick one up this weekend. And another beautiful, fun outdoor activity is planting in the garden. You can also start seeds inside. If you've started some seeds inside already, maybe you can just let me know what you're planting. And we get to see a lot of beautiful spring flowers, tulips, daffodils, 2 very popular flowers in spring. All right, and as we talked about, this Sunday, which is 2 days from now, is Easter. Hopefully everyone started dyeing their Easter eggs, so on Sunday you can go on an Easter egg hunt. Though I do hear from the weather people that we might get snow on Sunday. So keep that in mind. And talking about the weather, it is time to do the weather. All right, friends, Miss Angela is gonna get ready to go do the weather. Oh, what's this? Miss Maui, you're gonna help us with the weather? Great job. Everything going all right over there? Everybody okay? Okay, great. So can you tell us what the weather is today on this happy Friday?
Today is yet another beautiful day for Colorado.
Another beautiful, full sun, sunny day. Let's make sure we mark that on the calendar. It's another sunny day in Fort Collins. Well, as we can see, we've had 6 sunny days and 1 cloudy day, 2 partly cloudy days, and 1 rainy day. So we've had 10 days so far that we've been keeping track. 6 of them are sunny. What's 10 minus 6? Miss Meows, do you know what 10 minus 6 is?
It's 4.
It's 4. Good job. So we've had 4 other days of weather. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
All right. Well, my lovely people, I'm going to say goodbye. Have a beautiful Friday. Have a beautiful weekend. Have a happy Easter if it's something that you celebrate. And we will be back on Monday.